Oh, Lucille, welcome, Lucille, welcome.
Let's eat na guys. Ito ang ulam ko.
Thank you,
Pritong
Lucille, for
bago.
being here.
Pagkong nakadas na may kamatis sa yan. Haba ng ads ni Ma'am natin. Wala na ang ibang tayo. May nalirayas, nag-sing po tayo. Almost ganito. Natin ang haba ng ads.
Okay. So I'm setting up my angels just yet, okay? So that it will be it would be best of all the rest.
Ito lang, kasi puro cut-cut na yun. Alok sa palengke, tumaas na naman. Thank you so much, guys.
So I am now
Pitta,
flexing
when you get some,
my beautiful turban.
Pitta, when you get some time, just watch some of my latest shots.
I am flexing now my beautiful turban. Yeah, I don't know why my PLDT is so something. I don't know. I am overpaid with less than 1,000. I'm overpaid. So I do not have a balance, but still their service is not really good.
You overpaid for what?
Overpaid for PLDT, but the service is not good. I was thinking to get another what that
Kailan po tayo ito ni Raya? Kaya ito doon sa opportunity ni sa yung 43 minutes and 14 seconds punta tayo kay Mama Icon. Si Chinitas na playin. Kay si Jami nakababad. Iconic excitement.
okay.
Hindi pa lang mababa yung nilive ni Sisi kagabi. Pero naka 200 na siya. Mama Icon. Very busy. Very busy. 153.
Sometimes I see 143 hearts, I get a shock.
3 and 45 seconds.
Sigo to panontay. I smell the soup. I'm hungry.
Wala ako kagabi sis ko, sobrang busy ako kagabi, grabe. Dumating ako, late na.
Wow, what soup?
Pasensyahan nyo na lang po ako. Welcome, idol. No worries, balik-balik lang po ako sa mga videos ha. Hindi mo na masyadong mahaba ang play natin ngayon kasi nasa kasagsagan tayo po ng live. Balik-balik lang. Si ma'am natin nasa ads. Si Chinita, you're still in the ads. Ayun. Nag-vlog ko lang dito. Puntahan sa live ni Linda para Burton channel. Okay, Sisi, wait lang. Tapusin muna natin si Mang natin. Ha?